Find the x and y intercepts of the absolute equation. Okay, well first of all let's remember this. When x equals 0 you have a y-intercept, and when y equals 0 or f of x equals 0, if it's written in function notation, you will get the x-intercept. Okay, right, let's try this one. It's slightly easier. So when x equals 0, y equals the absolute of 0 plus 7 minus 9. Okay, well, the absolute of 7 is just 7. Take away 9, that equals -2. Don't forget the absolute of -7 is also positive 7. But anyway, so we have -2, so therefore my y-intercept is 0, -2. There you go. Right, slightly more work for the x-intercepts. We're going to set the y equal to 0. So 0 equals the absolute of x plus 7 minus 9. I will add a 9 to both sides, so I will have x plus 7 absolute equals 9. Add 9 to both sides. So therefore we can write x plus 7 equals 9 and x plus 7 equals -9. Right, I'm going to take away 7 from both of these. So x equals 2 and x equals -16. Therefore my x-intercepts are 2, 0 and -16, 0. And there you go.